Now let us see another command, that is while loop. While loop, just like for loop, there is a while loop. So in Python, remember one thing, only for and while loop is available. So using while loop, I can generate the numbers in ascending or descending order. Suppose I am generating the number. So for this, initially what I have to do is I have to define the initial value in a variable. Suppose I am writing here a equal to 1. Now I am writing all this command in script mode. You can see here untitled means script mode. Then I have to type while a is less than or equal to 10, till a value is less than 10. So what Python has to do? So this is the meaning. So while a is less than or equal to 10, then colon. Like for loop, while loop is also carrying colon with it. Now simply press enter key. You can see here how the cursor is coming to the next line. So here only what you have to do is we have to write print. So since we have defined the number a as 1, so I have to write here a, then close the bracket. Now since a is carrying value 1, if you see here a is carrying value 1, so 1 is less than 10. Okay, it is true. Then it will come to the next line, then it will print 1. Then what I have to do is I have to tell the interpreter, or I have to tell the Python to proceed to the next number. So a equal to a plus 1. So means after printing 1, the a will having the new value as 2. So a value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now again it will go above. So a is carrying now 2. 2 is less than 10. It will print 2. Then again come down. Now this a, 2 plus 1 is 3. Again go up. 3 is less than 10. It will print 3. Then 4. 4 is less than 10, like this. Now as soon as a value comes to 10, so 10 is equal to 10, it will print 10. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. Now again it will go up. Now a value is having 11. So 11 is less than 10. The statement is false. So it will come out of the loop and you will get the number. So if I go to run command and run it, it is asking me to save the file. So I am writing here loop 1. So if I save the command, then see automatically it will generate number from 1 to 10. You can see this. If I want the number to be arranged in a single line, so what I can do is in print command, simply after writing comma end equal to, then give one space, single quote, one space, then press F5, then you can see it is in single line, the number get printed. So now you will be having question how to give the or how to gap of 3, means I want 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, means odd numbers. So here you can see here, instead of a equal to a plus 1, I can simply give a equal to a plus 2, means the value of a is 1 initially. So after printing 1, what it does, 1 plus 2 is 3. So again it will go up. 3 is less than 10, the statement is true, then it will print 3. Then again come down. Now 3 plus 2 is 5, again it will go up. 5 is less than 10, it will print 5. Similarly till 9 it will go, then 9 is less than 10, 9 it will print. Now 9 plus 2 is 11, it will go up. 11 is less than 10, the condition is false. So as soon as the false statement comes, Python knows it is the value of a is which is greater than 10, so this statement is false, so it will come out of the loop and you get the answer in odd series. So if I press F5, you will see the odd number means 1, 3, 5, like with the interval of 2 gap it will come. Similarly, you can write here 3. So with the 3 gap the answer will come. Just have a look. After 1, 4 is coming, then after 4, 7 is coming, means 3 gapping between the numbers. So these are the simple things that you must remember while performing loop action. Even I can write my name. So suppose a equal to 1, then suppose I am writing here b, suppose int, I want to enter the roll number, then input roll number, then close this bracket, then under C if I write here name, so I have to simply write input, then in double quote enter your name. Then here instead of printing a, what I have to do is I have to enter b comma c, that is my name, and a will be a equal to 1, a equal to 1. See, this while loop, it keeps on running till 10. I want to print my name, suppose not 10 times, I want to print my name, suppose 5 times, my name and roll number. So it will print the value of b, that is my roll number, and value of c, that is my name. Then again a will proceed further. 1 plus 1 is 2, it will check the statement, while statement 2 is less than 5, then again it will print my roll number and name which are in b and c. Again it goes down, increase the value by 1, check it in the while statement, if it is true then proceed with this statement, is print. So if I write here if I press F5 key and simply press enter key, so suppose my roll number is 12, press enter key, it will ask me to enter the name, suppose Mahindra, and if I hit enter key, so it will generate see roll number and name 5 times. So these are the simple things that you must remember. Hope you got it.